What is e-commerce? E-commerce is simply the buying and selling of goods or services over the internet. It was started in the 1980s. By 2000, e-commerce generated 1% of retail sales and by 2021, reached almost 19% of all retail. E-commerce is split into three main categories: business to business, business to customer, and customer to customer. Why e-commerce is the future? Till today, over 50% of all internet users have made an online purchase, spending over $1.5 trillion a year. Nearly 150 million new buyers purchased online, which increased the sales of e-commerce platforms in 2021. More than 50% of internet users will continue to shop online in the coming days. Today, no one is without a mobile phone or a laptop. Also, there's a growing trend of buying and selling things online as the pandemic has changed consumer lifestyles and buying patterns. Looking at the statistics and consuming patterns, we are clear why e-commerce is the future.